Hey folks, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here and I'm back and welcome y'all. Even though it is Mondays and everyone hates their Mondays, I know I do, but what the heck. You have your good Mondays and your bad Mondays. But anyway, cut to the chit chat. Sparky Marky Mark here and I'm back to do a quick unenveloping and what's in here? What do I have in here? Well folks, we're about to find out. The signature, please handle with care. Do not bend. Thank you. Now, what did I get here? Let's take a look. Like right now. Alrighty. Now, folks, let's see what's in here. It's Friday 13th Part 3, and it's signed by Mike DeLuna. Anybody knows who Mike DeLuna is? I mentioned him in my pre-order video that he double Al Pacino in Scarface and worked on National Lampoons during the station wagon scene and played in Racketeer, the Disney movie, playing the Racketeer hero who flies around. And of course, the doubling Al Pacino was the part where he fell down to the water and dies, holding his breath for too long. Double Richard Brooker as Jason number 3 during some parts of the film, and other stuff. As of November 20th this year, November 20th would have been Richard Brooker's 68th birthday. So yeah, even though I am like about a few weeks away, but heck, might as well say happy early birthday to the late Richard Brooker, who of course, yes, is Jason number 3 as well. So yeah, it's kind of bummer he's no longer with us because he passed on 9 years ago. Just this is like how many months shy? Like 7 or 6, like 7 months shy of his 59th birthday. He died in 2013. But with that, I'll leave you the link in the description box for Richard Brooker's memorial documentary, Friday 13th Part 3. Link is in the description box down below. And let me see if I can find any Mike DeLuna interviews, because heck, this guy did a great job playing stunts, and he did double Richard Brooker as Jason number 3. So yeah, any of you young BUCKSs want to get one, you can get it at CSR Collectibles. How I got this on a coupon during Halloween, and yeah, I bought this one. I might be getting a James Chu Courtney very soon, but not right now at this moment. So yeah, I'm just getting this for the time being. So yeah, folks, this is all there is of Jason number 3. And yeah, a month ago we lost stuntman actor Ted White. So yeah. And of course, in about next month would also be the 4 years since the passing of Steve Dash, who played the real Jason in Friday the 13th Part 2. Yes, and later played Sheriff Jason Riolotti in Friday the 13th Vengeance. It is dedicated in his memory in Vengeance 2, which came out a month ago. So yeah, folks, the movie's out, by the way. You can still get your copy. Link is in the description box down below. Anybody want to donate to what is it? My Special Boy, a Friday the 13th fan film. Link is in the description box down below. So yeah, folks. And also more updates to tell you. Dave McCrae, who directed It's Me, Billy, a Black Christmas fan film. We will be getting what is it? Indiegogo is going to start the crowdfunding, but not right now. We're going to be seeing it more. We're going to be seeing the crowdfunding around 2023. I don't know the month yet. So yeah. But he'll make the announcement as well, Dave McCrae. Follow him on Instagram. Dave McCrae, DAVE MC, or is it MACRE? Dave McCrae. Check out It's Me, Billy, a Black Christmas fan film. Check it out and look at the director. That's him. That's the dude that directed it. And yeah, it is an unofficial sequel to Black Christmas, 1974. But I don't care. I think it's like a sequel, and it did stay true spirit to the first movie. And follow-up. That's a good thing. because due to the fact that we've gotten the remakes, one in 2006, which did give us a pretty pretty crazy backstory on Billy Lenz and his sister Agnes, or perhaps a daughter. Whoa, dude. It was crazy. Very over the top. And what else? Also, we got the Dumb remake, which we got in 2019. Oh my god, what the hell? I'm going to be doing an updated review on that, and it's going to be my rant, my angry movie review, which indeed. And I'll give you updates on the different titles, what they could have given it. So yeah, if you like videos like this, follow me on my channel. Click the subscribe button, click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads and updates. And yeah, I'm on the community, which I'll be updating with other things, so check those out. And I used to do videoing in the morning, like posting it in the morning hours, but then I noticed, why not just do it in the afternoon? Oh, I'll do it sometime in the afternoon then. Whether it be 1, 2, maybe 4. So yeah, folks, check that out as well. And also, like all autographs that you buy from a certain site, all of them will have their JSA Beckett authentication. Beckett certification, folks. You got that? Get it, got it good. So anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care, God bless you, and enjoy daylight savings, which was about yesterday. But also, enjoy Monday. Later, y'all.